All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking budget storage options. Now, we're talking budget, so you probably have a consumer homeowner toolbox. We're talking about Sears, Home Depot, Milwaukee, DeWalt, a non-tool truck toolbox. And if you know, those are not very big, not very deep, and they don't store a lot. And this applies to guys with tool truck brand toolboxes. Blow molded cases. They take up a lot of room. Here's the problem. If you take them out of the blow molded cases, yeah, they fit in less space, but now they're not organized. Now you wind up just chucking what you were using it back in the toolbox, and it winds up being a huge mess, and you never get organized again because you just don't have a way to. So one of the advantages of blow molded cases is it keeps everything organized. Well, what are the options? Well, buy a $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 toolbox off the tool truck. I know a lot of guys don't want to do it. What are some of the other options? Well, a good option is a tool cabinet. Home Depot has them, Lowe's has them, Sears has them. You can probably find them some other places. It's a locking cabinet. Metal construction. Is it ultra secure? No. But chances are, they're in an auto repair shop. If they want what's in your box, they're going to get into it no matter what. You know, a couple minutes with a torch and they're in pretty much anything. So the lock is about prevention, not complete protection. But these locker systems, it's a locker. It's bulk storage built in. You've got shelves. You've got the ability to lock it, which is important. You know, keep your coworkers from grabbing your stuff when you're out to lunch. And, you know, that's the guy that doesn't return stuff. It's a good option if you're trying to save some money, but yet need tools. So just something I thought I would throw out there as far as a good option if you need additional storage, but you're not ready to step up or don't want to step up to a tool truck box with a locker, etc., etc. You just want to stay, on the budget. Look at one of these storage lockers. Good way to store these blow molded cases. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. I don't know why you'd thumb me down for wanting to save you money, but comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.